Hello students, welcome to the English class. Today we are going to discuss another type of formal letter, that is the order letter, or we can call it letter for placing order. Okay, and earlier we have read about letter to editor, and whenever we want to raise our concern to the general public or to the authorities, we need to write the letter to editor. But today let us see the letter for placing order. Okay, so first of all, let us see the features of order letter. So basically, order letter or placing order letter is a formal letter, and it is written to place an order for goods. Whenever you want to purchase anything from a particular firm or from a particular person, then you need to write the letter for placing an order and follow format and word limit. So format will remain same as it is a formal letter, so you have to follow the format of formal letter, and word limit we all know is 100 to 120 words. Now let us see the format for the letter for placing order, or we can say for the formal letter. So first of all, we will write the sender's address, which may include the email or phone number if it is necessary. Then after leaving one line, we will write the date below the sender's address. Then after leaving one line, we have to write the receiver's address to whom we have written the letter, and then we will write the subject, means the reason or the thing for which we have written the letter, or we are writing the letter. Then we will write the salutation, sir, or we can write respected sir or madam, if we are sure that a lady is the person to whom we are dealing with. Then we will write the body of the letter. In paragraph 1, we will introduce ourselves and the purpose of writing the letter. In paragraph 2, we will detail the articles which we want to order. And in paragraph 3, we will conclude with some of the conditions, means whatever you have ordered should reach to you in a proper condition. It should not be the damaged one. If you want any discount, then mention that how much discount you expect from the person, and the mode of payment you just mention that how you are going to do the payment after the receiving of your order, and also mention that the transportation charge will be borne by the person who is sending you the articles. And after that, you just write the complimentary clause. Complimentary clause, how you are going to write? By writing thanking you, then yours truly, and after that your signature, your name, and mention the designation if you have any. Now let us see the sample letter for placing an order, means how to write the letter for placing an order. So the question for it is, you are Aarti Arun, the office in charge of a school, DPS Krishna Nagar, Rampur School Office. Email is dpskn@xmail.com, and office phone number is 33421. Write a letter to Kabir Stationers, Kirti Nagar, Rampur, to place an order for the stationery required at the school office. Give details of all the products ordered: A4 size paper, printer, ink cartridges, ledgers, registers, pens, oil pens, marker pens, stapler pens, etc., and fix a deadline for the delivery of said order. So this is all the question, and everything, all the details are given in it. Now let us see how we are going to write the letter. So first of all, in the sender's address, we will write DPS Krishna Nagar, Rampur, phone number 33421, email dpskn@xmail.com. Then we will leave one line and we will write the date on which we are writing the letter, and the manner of writing the date will be, first of all we will write the date, then the name of the month, then the year. After that we will write the receiver's address. So the receiver's address is also given in the question, that is Kabir Stationers, Kirti Nagar, Rampur. Okay, and after the receiver's address we will write the subject. What is the subject? Subject will remain the very simple one, that is order for supply of stationery. Okay, so this is only the subject, and after that you just have to leave one line and write sir or madam. And after the salutation again we have to leave one line, and we will begin with the introductory paragraph, that is the body of the letter. So write, I am Aarti, the office in charge of DPS, Krishna Nagar. I want to place an order for supply of stationery items for the school. Kindly find the list of articles ordered as mentioned in the list below. So this is all the introductory part, and after this we will mention the list of items and the specifications that we want in the items that we will have to mention in the letter. Okay, so in this manner we will prepare the table of the description of our order. So first column of the table will be the serial number, then article, then description and the quantity. Okay, then name of the articles are all mentioned in the letter, therefore first of all we will write all the name of the articles. So let us see. First one is A4 size white paper, and it is of Xerox brand, and 10 boxes of 400 pages. Okay, then second item is printer ink cartridge, that must be of HB black, and 10 cartridges he has required. Then ledgers, the large size ledgers he requires, and 10 in their quantity. Then the fourth item is register, 200 page per register, and 20 registers he has required. Then gel pens, black and blue, 20 of each color. Then oil pens, 100 pieces box, 10 boxes he has required. Then stapler pens, large size, and 10 boxes he requires. Then marker pens, pack of 4 colors, means 4 color packets are required, and 5 packets he has required. Here he means the whosoever, the person who has written the letter. Okay, means here there is no need to get confused that the girl Aarti is writing the letter and I have said he. So he means the person whosoever has written the letter. Then after this description box we will write the concluding paragraph. In the concluding paragraph we will write that please ensure that all the items are new and they must reach the school office in proper shape or on or before 18th of April 2018, means 1 week timings we have given. On 11th of April we have written the letter, and on 18th we want the delivery of the items. Okay, then please send the bill along with the order, and the amount shall be paid to the delivery person in the form of a check. Means here the person has clarified that to whom he will pay, and the manner of payment is also mentioned, means through check he will do the payment. And in the end you can write that in case of any queries please feel free to contact at school office. So this you can write, and in the end you will do the complimentary close, then by writing thanking you or thank you and yours sincerely Aarti. First of all you will do your initials, means signature, then you will write your name, and there is no designation you will be writing. that is that you are the office in charge, and after that there is no need to write the name of the school and place. Okay, so keep this in your mind. Name of school and place you will be writing at the place of the sender's address. Okay, so students, I hope you all have understood how to write a letter for placing order. So go through it once again, practice the letters of such kind, and see you soon again in the next type of formal letter. Thank you.